So I'm going to talk about ease of delivery of video games. So you see, many people in the world have data caps on their phones, on their internet connection. Like if they have limits of 2 gigabytes or 3 gigabytes per day. So when they are buying a video game, then they will think, they will definitely think about the size of the game, like how big the game is, right? And if your game is like 12 GB or 20 GB, then they will think twice or thrice before buying it or downloading it. So this really affects the ease of delivery of your game. And when we were making our game, we also faced this difficulty, that is the ease of delivery. And our game was not even 1 gigabytes. When we first made it, it was around 320 megabytes, and still it was a huge amount, a huge data for us to upload. Our internet was not able to handle the upload, and it crashed a lot. We were uploading the game to itch.io and it was crashing again and again, and I was not able to upload the game. Maybe at once I was not able to do that. I had to try it 3 times or 4 times, and then I was able to upload the whole game to itch.io. So we thought that this is a problem, and we need to solve that, right? So we decided to optimize the size of the game. And when it comes to video games, what can be optimized? We can compress size of images, we can compress size of audio files. So we did that. We used really strong compression algorithms on images and compressed them a lot, and then we used Audacity to convert our sound files to .ogg format, which is a really good format for transporting data, transporting sound files across the internet, because it's small and it doesn't lose a lot of quality when you convert mp3 to ogg. The quality remains almost the same, but the size gets reduced. So that's what we did, and we were able to reduce the size of our game from 300 or 320 megabytes to 180 megabytes. So that was good. And then we uploaded, zipped it into a .zip folder, and then uploaded it to the internet, and it uploaded properly. There was no problem. So what I'm saying here is that when you are exporting your game, you are putting it up on marketplaces, you should really take into consideration the ease of delivery. Your game should be deliverable. I mean, suppose our game offered 6 to 10 hours of playtime and it was 180 megabytes, and I think that's okay, that's good. But suppose if we made a game that offered 6 to 10 hours of playtime, but it was 10 gigabytes, the size was 10 gigabytes, then people will think about, I mean, they will wonder where the extra, why is this game 10 gigabytes when it only offers 6 to 10 hours of playtime. The players and users will not think about what kind of technology you have used, if your textures are HD or not. They will just think about the play time, right? And the play time is less but the size is huge, then they will think that why is there so much extra data in the game, and they will not be willing to download your game or buy it, right? So this is very important. End users don't know how big textures are. You have to compress your textures or the sound files, right? They will only think about what they are able to see. The visual should be good, and the number of hours which they can play the game for. So that's important. That's what we should keep in mind. That's what we kept in mind while we were publishing our game. And we were having trouble in uploading it, but ease of delivery is not, I mean, you should think about the customer, not yourself. Although we also had problem when the game was big, but the main concern is about the user. If the user has data cap, they will not be willing to download your game if it is several GBs, right? So we have to take care of that. So that's what we did, and took care of that. and therefore we published our game. It was 180 megabytes after we compressed it. It was good. So that's what I want to tell you. Ease of delivery is really important, and it sometimes may increase your sales, right? Thank you for watching.